Welcome to VettedTrainers.com.
For the split stance calf raise, we're going to start in a split squat position with the legs parallel from each other. Then we're going to calf raise, show control at the top, and come down slowly with control. You'll also notice that the hands are on the hips, and this is to prevent us from using the arms for balance. We want to use the muscles that stabilize your ankles and the muscles that stabilize your hips to do the work. So from the other ankle, you'll see the heel come in sometimes in that stance. We don't want to do that. We want to keep the feet parallel. Then the sneakiest thing you want to watch is right here, the front ankle rolls out. You don't want to complete the action here. You want to keep it in line with the rest of the hip, and you want to make sure you're pushing through the part of your foot right before your big toe. It's called your first metatarsal. And that is how we'll get super stable ankles with the split stance calf raise.
This video has been brought to you by VettedTrainers.com.